In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a picture in Photoshop. So there's two ways of doing it, and I'm going to show you both. The first one is to first select the layer you would like to rotate. So in my case, it's this image by simply clicking on it, and then you want to press Ctrl plus T. So if you hold down Ctrl and press T, as you can see, there's now this border where you can resize and rotate the image. And you can rotate the image by going a bit out of the border, and as you can see, you can get this curved arrow. And you can do this anywhere around the image. As you can see, it's still showing no matter how far out you go. And then you want to simply hold down your left mouse button and simply drag it around. And as you can see, the image is starting to rotate. Now, if you want to kind of fine-tune and find rotate and go to a certain degree of angle, what you want to do is go up here on top, as you can see where the angle is changing, and you can type it in manually. So let's say I want to rotate it to 45 degrees. You want to type in 45 and then simply press this check mark, and as you can see, it's been successfully rotated. Now I'm going to show you the second option, which is again by selecting the image, go into edit up here, pressing transform, and then clicking rotate or rotate clockwise. So as you can see, it says rotate 180 degrees, rotate 90 degrees, or rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. And that's it. That's how you do it.